This commercial was actually a PSA warning against the dangers of drunk driving, produced by London's Department of Transportation as part of their Think campaign. The campaign's aim is to stop drunk driving and related deaths by any means necessary, including scaring unsuspecting strangers. This commercial packs several jump-worthy moments in that several quote-unquote drinkers visit a bar restroom and end up cowering in fear from the bloody mannequin heads that have been smashed through the mirror from behind, accompanied by the sound of an actual car crash and hail of screams resembling the outcome of a DUI incident. The video quickly went viral, racking up hundreds of thousands of views in just a day. However, you can see they did not at all send the right message.